Simplified notes on Decidua, Chorion, and embryonic development for nursing students. 1. Decidua and decidual reaction. Decidua, the modified endometrium of the pregnant uterus that sheds after delivery. Decidual reaction, changes in the endometrium due to progesterone after implantation. Stroma cells become decidual cells. Glands enlarge and secrete more substances. Blood vessels increase, and leukocytes appear. Layers of decidua. 1. Compact layer. Uppermost, contains decidual cells and blood vessels. 2. Spongy layer. Contains dilated uterine glands and blood vessels, where placental separation occurs. 3. Basal layer. Thin layer near the muscle, helps in regeneration after delivery. Parts of the decidua during pregnancy. 1. Decidua basalis, under the implanted blastocyst, becomes the maternal placenta. 2. Decidua capsularis, covers the growing embryo. 3. Decidua vera paritalis lines the rest of the uterus. Functions of the decidua: provides a site for implantation, supplies nutrients to the early embryo, controls trophoblast invasion, forms the maternal part of the placenta. 2. Chorion and chorionic villi. Chorion, the outer fetal membrane that forms from trophoblast and mesenchyme. Chorionic villi, finger-like projections that help in placental development. Types of chorionic villi. 1. Primary villi, form at 3rd week, made of synchytotrophoblast and cytotrophoblast. 2. Secondary villi, form at 16th day when mesoderm enters villi. 3. Tertiary villi, form at 21st day when blood vessels appear inside villi. Fate of chorionic villi. Chorion frondosum, villi near the decidua basalis grow and form the placenta. Chorion leva, villi near the decidua capsularis shrink and disappear. 3. Development of inner cell mass. Embryonic development. On day 8, the inner cell mass forms the bilaminar germ disc. Ectoderm upper layer, endoderm lower layer. On day 14, the primitive streak appears, leading to the formation of the trilaminar germ disc with ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm, formation of extraembryonic structures, amniotic cavity, fluid-filled space forming around the embryo. Yolk sac provides early nutrients. Body stalk later forms the umbilical cord. Development of the placenta. Trophoblast cells form a protective outer shell, cytotrophoblastic shell. Niedibuch's membrane protects the maternal side of the placenta. Maternal blood vessels pass through all layers to nourish the baby. 4. Germ layers and their derivatives. 1. Ectoderm outer layer, right pointing arrow forms. Brain and nerves, skin and hair, eyes and inner ear, glands like pituitary and salivary glands. 2. Mesoderm middle layer, right pointing arrow forms. Bones and muscles, heart and blood vessels, kidneys and reproductive organs. 3. Endoderm inner layer, right pointing arrow forms. Digestive system, stomach, liver, pancreas. Respiratory system, lungs, trachea. Urinary bladder and urethra. Key points for nursing students. Decidua supports implantation and forms part of the placenta. Chorion and chorionic villi help in fetal-maternal exchange. Embryonic development follows a structured pattern with germ layers forming different organs. Understanding these structures is essential for managing pregnancy and fetal development care.